Hello everyone, welcome back to Credenza Interior Studios. I hope you liked my previous videos which was about design and execution process where we explain step by step process of design and execution. So here today we are going to talk something different about some materials which are used in interiors which will make interiors look classy and elegant at the same time very luxurious. So are you ready? So if you want to use marble textured flooring or marble texture on the wall, go for natural marble and not for marble textured vitrified tiles or any other marble texture other material, because natural marble always gives you this marble glossy and classy finish, and also on the wall when you use it, it gives a very glossy and elegance look. If you want to use wooden doors for your bedrooms, of course for main doors we always use teak doors or any wooden solid wood doors, but usually people what they do is for bedrooms they go for wooden texture doors in laminated form or veneer form. I prefer that always use a natural wood, that is a teak wood or any other wood you prefer. So here we have used a solid teak wood door. We have carved this design out of a single wood piece. This is almost a 3 feet door. So this is made in a single wood. So you cannot see any much grains or the tree trunk anywhere. So this is done in one piece. So I prefer, if you're using wood, then go for solid wood. This is one option. If you want to use glossy finish for your kitchen, don't go for glossy laminates or any glossy finishes like acrylic. Rather than for glossy look, use a natural glass which already has its property, that's glossy. You can see here. And also it gives that ambience and look. Although it's very expensive, but it really looks classy. Prefer always the natural material, that is glass, which has its property like a glossy. Glass reflects like a glossy material, right? If you want to use gold finish for your railing, don't go for those gold powder coated railing or any gold painted on MS railing. Go for natural gold color, which is available as a brass material. So you can cover your railing with natural brass, which really gives a luxurious look and a very classy feel. And also you get smooth edges and soft finish. This is my go-to material. So now I'm going to talk about one more materials, that is window and door frames. So if you like wood textured frames for the doors and windows, don't go for UPVC which are wood textured or any colors that looks like wood. Instead go for teak wood frames for all your doors and windows, because it really gives a luxury and classy look. You can look at the door finish here. It's really nice. Hope you like this video. So this video was all about using natural materials and not replicating the naturally looked alike materials. So hope you like this, and let me know what natural materials you have used in your interiors or wanting to use it. So you can shoot the questions and I'll definitely answer them in the comment section. So do subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Do hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.